How to reopen the closed tab on Chrome browser. So if you have accidentally closed your Chrome tabs, you can reopen it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do this, and there is a one setting in Chrome browser. It will really help you to start your work where you left off. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. So here I'm on Chrome browser, so I just open the few tabs here to show you properly. So I have opened Facebook, LinkedIn, and let me open the Google. Okay, so here you can see the 4 tab I have opened right now, and if I close it by mistakenly or like this and I want to reopen it, if I want to reopen it, so there is an option in Chrome. Go to this little three dot where and go to the setting history. Here under the history you can see the recent closed tab. This is my all which I recently closed. I can open it by clicking one by one, but there is a you have to open again and again this option. So I suggest you go to the history, and here you can see the all your recent history on top, and now you can right click on any that tabs link and just reopen it or open it in the new tab. So you can see this all tabs has been open. And as I told you, there is a setting in Chrome that you can use for this same requirement. I'll show you. Just click on 3 dot option again, go to the settings, and under the on startup means when you start the Chrome, your Chrome will be start with the continue where you left off. So you can select this option and your Chrome browser will start where you left off. Okay, so it is very help you if you want to start work where you left off. So I guess you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.